All right, fellow YouTubers, it's Tech here with All Things Tech, and I'm going to continue to put this 10-foot conference table together real quick, hopefully within, I don't know how long, but if anything, I'll probably cut this video, time lapse the part that's really long, and yeah, without further ado, let me start doing this. All right, so conference table completed, and this is a little later, a couple hours later from earlier. Just wanted to follow up and show you what the completed product looked like. 3 chairs had been ordered to make this a 9-seater. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to All Things Tech. That's me in the mirror. Yeah, and until next time, have fun, stay safe, and thanks for watching.